back to my channel. I'm Deni and I am here with my husband Carlos.
Hey.
So we're here for day 6 of box week, and today is gonna be unboxing his Birch Box Man. And this is not my box, but usually we do a couples unboxing, and this time around I just wanted to do box week. So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna let him drive on this one and talk and tell us.
My lifestyle item, and they're Bluetooth headphones, and they happen to be my second pair of Bluetooth headphones, so these headphones are yours.
Okay. So the lifestyle item for his box is usually something that's of larger value than his actual box. The Birch Man box is $20 a month, and so this is what he got as his lifestyle item. They're Cole Bluetooth headphones, and because he has some, he said that I can have these. They come with a USB and their little net.
Next product is this Bella for Men body powder, and I've never tried the body powder, but I've tried their deodorant, and Bella is a great product. So these this Bella product, it smells nice, and the full size for that Bella powder is $18.
This smells really, really nice. It smells like men's cologne. It smells nice.
My next item is Hims shampoo, and I've had their vitamin, but I've never tried their shampoo. The full size of this product will be $11.
So this is what it looks like, and it's just like a white bottle that says Hims.
Next product is the Jet Black Pit Boss antiperspirant and deodorant. I've used their deodorant before and I like it, and it smells real good.
Let me see. Oh, it does smell nice.
And for a full size of the Jet Black antiperspirant is $17. Next item is this Journeyman face wash, and for a full size of this product it's $19. I've never tried it, but I will be trying it. Last item is this Pilot Men's Grooming Feel Good Moisturizer, and it retails for a full size product of $19.95, and I will be trying it out.
So he got in total 5 products. They are sample size products, or deluxe sample size. I think that this deodorant is like a deluxe sample size. It does feel like there's a lot in here. It's 1.3 ounces, and but these other ones are sort of like sample size. I know this also feels like a deluxe sample, but he got the headphones and all of these products. They were $20 for the subscription, and he gets it monthly. Now with this subscription, it usually comes really early for him, so he usually waits around for me to get my boxes before he opens them, which is kind of sad. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Become a member of our Gonz family, and as always, from my house to yours. Love ya.